Is your computer suddenly running slow? Internet speed feels terrible, app taking forever to open? So before you think about reinstalling Windows or spending money on repair, today in this video guys, I will be showing you 7 powerful command that can fix network problem, improve system performance, clear hidden issues, and make your PC feel much faster. And this all will be done using the Windows built-in tool only. So stay till the end because the last command is one that most Windows users have never used. Now in order to bring up the command prompt, click on Windows search, type CMD and you will be getting the command prompt. Make a right click on it and choose run as administrator so that you should have all the permission. Alright, so with the very first command, you would be able to find out all those applications and software that are being outdated, and even you would be able to update them at once using one single command. So type here winget space upgrade space dash all. And after typing this command, once you hit the enter key, this will be looking for the application that require update. And it says 7 upgrade available. Even it give you the list here that what all the application need the update, and it will automatically update them. And you can see on my end, it found the mini tool partition wizard tool and it's already updating it, and so on. Whichever application are being outdated, it will look them one by one and will automatically update it. Now why this is important, because in the future, because of the outdated application or program, there might be any kind of malware attack, so it's really recommended that you should keep all your software and application up to date. Alright, so it may take a while here. It will be updating them one by one, so you have to wait until it's all been done. Okay, and it took about a few minutes, so you can see it says 7 out of 7, all the applications are being updated. So this way, by just running one single command, you can update all the outdated application and software on your Windows 10 or 11 without needing any third-party program. Alright, now in the next step, we will be fixing all kind of network related issues, and the very first command for that will be netsh space winsock space reset. And this command basically restart the communication required between your device and the network. Just hit the enter key and it will say successfully reset the winsock catalog. Now next after this, you have to type netsh space int space ip space reset, and this command will rewrite the rule resetting it to the factory default, and they are followed by devices to connect to the internet. So again, type this simple command, hit the enter key, and it will say resetting okay, restart the computer to complete this action. But we have to run few more commands here. So the next one will be netsh space int space tcp space reset. Again hit the enter key and it says reset of all the TCP parameters. Okay. So basically this will be resetting the Windows TCP IP stack to its default factory stable. And then finally we have to run ipconfig space /flushdns. Now this command is a diagnostic tool used to clear the local DNS resolver cache. It removes the stored website IP address record from your computer, forcing it to fetch the fresh, up-to-date information the next time you try to visit our website. So again, typing this command, you have to hit the enter key and it will say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Alright, now the next command will be netsh space advfirewall space reset. And this command will be restoring the Windows Defender firewall with the advanced security to its factory configuration. And it deletes all the custom inbound, outbound rule and user defined settings, effectively reverting the firewall to its factory state to resolve the connectivity or the configuration issues. This will also help you to remove any false rules created by any kind of malware or any kind of hacker. So very useful command that you have to run. So type this, hit the enter key and it will reply you with OK. Alright, and now the next command is the chkdsk Now you should use the chkdsk regularly to scan your hard drive for corrupted file, help repair and clean up your PC and maintain its health. chkdsk can scan for the bad sector, the ruined part of your hard drive, even when your PC won't turn on. That help you to find and fix hard drive error and free up disk space as well. Now there are two most important chkdsk command, chkdsk /f, and this command is concerned with the file system overhead information that tell Windows about the file, folder and data on the disk and their disk location. It's all about making sure that the file system overhead information is correct. And another one is chkdsk /r, and this command scan the entire disk surface sector by sector to make sure every sector can be read properly. As a result, a chkdsk /r takes significantly longer than the F command as it's concerned with the entire surface of the disk. And the one that I personally recommend you is to go with the chkdsk /r, which will be fixing the deeper and even the hardware part. So type the simple command, again hit the enter key, and probably most of you will get the same message. chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume? So what will happen if you press the Y key the next time when you will restart the computer? The checking disk system will be started and you have to allow it so that it can check deeply. So what I will do, I will just type Y key and hit the enter key, and then I have to manually restart the computer so that the scan can be completed. Okay, and now let's move with the next command, that is DISM /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. Now this command scan and repair Windows system file by checking the entire current system condition against a clean copy or image of the OS stored locally or online. And if it finds the current system has been corrupted or missing file, it attempts to replace them from the clean system image. So after typing this command, you just have to hit the enter key and it will be running the deployment image servicing and management tool. So you have to wait until it's all been 100% completed. Alright, so now you can see the DISM scan has been completed 100% and it says the repair content could not be found anywhere. Now this can be because of the internet connectivity. So what I would recommend you, that you can rerun this command again with a proper internet connectivity. But in case if it doesn't pop up with this kind of message, the next command that you have to enter will be sfc /scan now, and again hit the enter key. So again this sfc check each individual system file against a known trusted version of the same file stored in a protected folder called the Windows File Protection. And if a system file being checked doesn't match the WFP version, SFC tags it as corrupted and attempt to replace it with a clean copy. And most of the time running the DISM command and the SFC command fix many kind of issues like with your operating system. If it's not working properly, if you're getting any kind of blue screen, many issues can be resolved. So again, you have to wait here until it's all been 100% completed. And once all these commands get completed, you have to close the command prompt. Then you have to go ahead and restart the computer. Alright, so after restarting the computer, let's move with the last command that will be helping you to increase the speed and improve the health of the SSD. So first you have to type winsat disk -drive. And then you have to type the drive letter of your main operating system drive. So bring up the file explorer, go to this PC, and you can see on my end it's C drive. So what I will do, I will type here C and hit the enter key. So with this command, you would be able to see your SSD read and write speed. And in order to increase the read and write speed and improve the performance and health of the SSD, just type another command that will be defrag /o, and again give a space and type the same drive letter. I will type C here and then hit the enter key. Alright, seems like I made a mistake, so I think I will repeat the command again. Okay, and after the drive letter you have to type the colon, and this time if I hit the enter key, so it says invoking defragmentation on this drive. and it will give you the pre-optimization report that volume size is this much, the free space is around this, the total fragmented space is 7%, and largest free space size is 670.75 MB. And after completing this command, if you will run the test again, and of course as the speed of your SSD has been increased, you will be getting the better performance and faster speed. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully all this command will surely help you to improve the performance, the health of your PC and laptop. All this command you will be getting in the description, and if you find this video informative, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.